Some of the cool features on these newer BMWs, especially the 2025s and even some of the older ones, are how intuitive and cool the voice commands are. So for example, if I wanted to roll down my window, I could say, "Hey BMW, hey BMW, can you roll down my window?"
Okay.
If I wanted to open my sunroof, I could say, "Hey BMW, hey BMW, can you open my sunroof?"
Okay.
On my temperature, there's several things you could say also. So I could tell it, "Hey BMW, hey BMW, I'm cold."
Warm for you.
Or if you're more specific, "Hey BMW, can you change my temperature to 72 degrees?"
Okay, 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you wanted to turn on your heated seats, "Hey BMW, can you turn on my heated seats?"
Okay, I'm activating the driver's seat heating.
For the radio, you can tell it specific satellite radio channels. So for example, "Hey BMW, hey BMW, can we listen to Watercolors?"
You are listening to Channel Watercolors.
These are just some of the cooler things that you could do with BMW. But what if you're driving and you want a more sportier drive? You could say, "Hey BMW, hey BMW, activate sport mode."
I have activated the sport mode.